When I started my business, I started with the first ANCA machine FX5, and then we graduated to MX7, then FX5E, and we are adding one or two more ANCA machines. At Spiral Tools, myself and my colleague Mr. Adwait Satalkar, we are here to see the expo, and we are basically manufacturer of micro tools as well as bigger tools which are required for a variety of industries like ball pen industry, medical industry, aerospace, general engineering, energy, etc. etc. And every time we take a new order, every time we face a new challenge, it is a new experiment for us. And there we need support from a tool machine manufacturer like ANCA and also some of the grinding wheel manufacturers. My company is getting a lot of help from ANCA and other grinding wheels manufacturers also, and we are scaling new heights every day with every new experiment. Basically, this exhibition we find very interesting. Being a tool manufacturer, this is a very important exhibition for us. The most important thing is it is focused on grinding, and we get to know a lot of new developments, new machines, new softwares, and we can take back a few of them and utilize in our shop. So I think it is definitely a productive exhibition for us.